Goddess Durga Mata without clay. It is different, isn't it? Let's go to the video. So let's start the making. As I said, this is not a clay based sculpture. I am just using some plastic bottles, nebulization residuals and some paper to make this sculpture of Goddess Durga. So it will be very useful for beginners who don't know how to sculpt a face or body. You have to arrange the bottles and residuals according to the body shape with hot glue gun. You can use any bottles which gives the structure like this. After that, I am sticking some aluminium foils around the neck portion of the sculpture. Then I am sticking tablet wrappers on the chest portion to enhance the chest area. You can use hot glue gun for this also. After sticking, covered the body beneath the neck with aluminium foil and cover it with white paper. After that, we can apply skin color tone to the body. I used acrylic color for this. And after that, we can make ears for the sculpture. I am using filling paper for this. Can stick it with Fevibond glue and paint the ears also with skin colored acrylic paint. Paint the hair area with black acrylic paint. I will use woolen thread as hair later. Now I am going to paint blouse with acrylic color. This is crimson in color. Now I am going to draw the face. I am not going to draw it completely. I just enhance the facial features for now. Now we are going to make the saree. For that I am using laces and ribbons. I am just sticking laces and ribbons as saree draping. It is really very easy to make the saree. I am sticking the laces and ribbons with Fevibond glue. White color saree for the idol. You can make any color saree using different color ribbons. See, this is very easy to make the saree for the idol. Now our saree making is completed. Now we are going to make hair for the idol. For that I am using woolen thread. I am not sticking the entire hair for now. Complete it after I stick the jewelry to the idol. I made this jewelry by sticking the stones on a white paper. Now we can stick the ornaments to the idol. After sticking the ornaments, we can start making the hair. For the hair, I am using woolen thread. Stick the strands of woolen thread with Fevibond glue. ornaments. Those are earrings and crown. Then we can make the Trishul. I just drew head of the Trishul on a paper and cut it with scissors and stick it to a metallic wire. Then I painted the Trishul with acrylic silver metallic color. Now the Trishul is ready. We can move on to the drawing of the face. We have to shade the face as we paint on a paper to get the 3D effect on the idol's face. I also made a little nose pin for Devi, and this makes her look more pretty. And ta-da! Our idol is ready. Beautiful, isn't she? We made her without any kind of clay or ceramics. It is easy to make, isn't it? I hope this video will be useful for beginners in decorating your house on this Navaratri. Stay blessed and stay happy. We will meet with a new creative video. Till then, bye.